Hello Libra, this is your weekly love reading from 16 to 22nd August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Libra, then this is the reading for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel. King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let me check your this week's energy. King of Wands, Queen of Cups, Seven of Swords. Okay. Page of Swords, the Empress. Bottom of the deck we have Seven of Pentacles. So here I will tell you about the sign. Sign are here Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Every sign present here. And specifically I will see that Leo is here and Libra, Taurus also present here. Okay. So let's start your reading. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So this is your card. Basically you are waiting for something to happen. Actually you are waiting for somebody to come forward and tell you the truth. Okay, I'm seeing that you were waiting for so long and you planted the seeds. You planned that this person, you have given every comfort zone to this person, but this person is not moving still, and still you are patiently waiting. Your patience is so much more that you believe actually this relationship will grow, but still right now I see that for some time actually you right now is thinking about this. Will it be worth it or not? Okay, so you are in your head right now and you don't know where it is going. Okay, so you are actually confused also. Seven of Cups is here. That means you have a lot of options and still you're thinking that if this person is not worth it, then why to lose those options actually, right? So you're thinking about that also, but your wish fulfillment is actually not only yours. Actually this person's wish fulfillment is you also. Okay, so Nine of Cups is here. That means your wish fulfillment to be together with this person. Okay, let me see then what is the energy. So this person is very attracted towards you, man. Okay, so this person is very attracted towards your body, your physical self, and they actually like everything. Okay, but specifically they like your body. Okay, they like your body, your sensual behavior, and your very passionate behavior. Okay, they like it very much. Okay, so I can see that this person wants to offer you something, but this is more like physical relationship, not like very emotional relationship. This person want to have just a physical relationship. Okay, so but you need actually love. Okay, you need actually love, and you are only allowing anybody if they are emotionally available. Otherwise you are not giving them a S. Okay, so Queen of Cups is here. That means you are actually closing off with them basically, and emotionally you are not giving them anything, and this person is actually knocking your door again and again, but you are not actually giving them a S. Okay, so basically I can see that you are waiting for this person to open up emotionally. Otherwise you are not opening up to them. You have already decided. Okay, so you have seen that some fishy behavior in this person. Okay, Seven of Swords is there. So this person has some illusion, some deception in them, and you figured it out. Actually this person has something, they hide something actually, and that's why they are not opening up emotionally. So something is fishy there. So you figured it out already, but you wanted to listen from their own mouth. Okay, so this is the thing. Page of Swords is here. So you're still you, as you are very interested in this person also, and this person is also interested in you, so I'm seeing that you both keeping an eye on themselves. Okay, I can see that these are actually both going ways directions energy. It is multi-directional energy actually. So right now I can see that you are both reading each of you. Okay, so you know where they are going, and they also know. Okay, they are reading you actually. Okay, so everything they know, and you also know about them, what you are doing today, and to whom you are meeting today, etc., etc., and all. So in this week I can see that you are actually feeling in your own energy. Okay, and you will be in your own energy. Basically you are keeping yourself very gentle, and you will be very figure conscious, as well as you will be food conscious, as well as I can see that you are keeping yourself very good care and of yourself, and your skin also you are keeping, means you are actually focusing on yourself. I can see self loving energy it is. Okay, so the empress is this kind of energy. Okay, so will there be a growth in this? Yes, because seven of pentacles is here, and empress is also here. That means this relationship will grow, but right now in this week I don't see much growth, but it will grow. Okay, so let me pull out some outcome card for this reading. Please give me an outcome card for this reading, please. Ace of cups and ace of pentacles. Wow, what a combination. So as I can say that this relationship will grow, and actually you're getting some very stable grounded offer. Okay, from this person, which has a lot of potential stability, and potential stable commitment. Okay, this person will give you. Okay, and I can see this person will share their emotion also, their overwhelming love and overflowing love towards you. They will share those words actually. Okay, so they will share every emotions with you. They will tell you about how they feel. Okay, so everything they will let you know. Okay, so this is the outcome. So let me pull out Queen of Moon Oracle for you. Realization, so, and creation. So there is a creation of this new love, because you have two aces. Okay, this is and this is. Okay, everything you are having a fresh new start. That's why it's creation. So universe is telling you just be creative, and whatever the plan you have in your mind, just execute it. Universe is saying, whether it is your career, whether it is your love situation, whatever it is. Okay, so, and realization means universe is telling you to realize the true potential of this relationship. Okay, you know that in deep in your mind that this potential, this relationship has a lot of potential in future, and realize that. That's why that realization and creation card has come. Okay, so this is your reading, Libra. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, please email me. Email ID is given in the description box below. And thank you for watching.